Hey guys, I just got this Ring doorbell in the mail today, and I'm going to show you how to install one. It should be really simple. So let's get after it. Well, I am unboxing it, and let's see what all we have here. So there is the unit itself. And what do we have here? Looks like a little screwdriver with an Allen bit there on the end. And some instructions. So let's read those and then I will catch up with you in a second. All right, so the first thing you want to do is ring your doorbell and see if it works. Sounds like it works. Got a barking dog and everything. So what you're going to do now is go turn off the power to the doorbell, and then you're going to access your chime. So here's where my doorbell chimes, and so what you're going to do is remove the cover here. There we go. And next, you are going to take the jumper wire that came with your Ring doorbell right here, and you're gonna connect the trans and front terminals. So you just loosen the terminals and attach the wire across the two jumpers. So trans and front. Do that real quick. There we go. The trans and front are connected with the jumper there. That's all you need to do, and now you can reconnect or put back the cover on the chime. We are back outside, and I'm going to remove the existing doorbell. Got that loose. Get this one loose. Looks like they're already loose. So yeah, let's just pull this off by hand. Okay, I have the old doorbell removed. Got the wires just sticking out here. I'm just gonna kind of clean up all this junk that's behind it. There were some cobwebs and some goo, I guess, from where we tried to make the screws stay in there nice and tight. And then what I'm going to do is use a masonry drill bit and drill holes for the new doorbell. They don't quite match what I have here. I might use one of these existing holes, like maybe this one right here. I have to enlarge it a little bit because of the anchors that come with it, but then the other hole is going to be down here somewhere. So we'll do that real quick. Right, the new holes are drilled and ready to attach the wires to the back of the doorbell. And it doesn't matter which terminal you put them on. Just grab one, put them on to a terminal, they'll be good. And yeah, we'll screw it into here and here. I had to cut that one a little short because it wouldn't go in any further. Something back there. Yeah, ready to install it. All right, here it is, all installed. Got it all in there tight. It's nice and solid, not shaking at all. Pretty easy. Only took me about 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna go turn on the power to the house, download the app, and hopefully we can get this thing working.